Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on applications icon badges in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for these options? Of course in settings. Then we are looking for notifications menu, advanced settings, and at the bottom we have app icons badges. To turn it on, we simply tap this little checkbox, and that's it. Of course, we can customize it a little bit here, but just to turn it on, we simply check this box, and that's it. No need to save, back out, and it's done. It's set up. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.